Hello and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we are going to be making some delicious chai tea bun. As soon as our dough is doubled inside, we're going to quickly mix together our fillings. So that's going to be 1 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of melted canola oil. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of ground cardamom, 1 teaspoon of clove, 1 tablespoon of dried ground ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. Just mixing that together until it's incorporated. That's going to be our filling for our buns. You can just set that to the side. We're going to get rolling out our dough. We've got a floured surface here. We're just going to turn our dough that we've allowed to double in size, put onto that, pressing it out a bit, making sure that it's all well floured so it doesn't stick to our surface or to the rolling pin. And we're just going to roll it into a large rectangle so that we can fill it up very nicely with our delicious spice mix. So I've got a fairly decent sized rectangle here. I'm just going to give my filling another quick mix because it's separated above a bit. And I'm going to spread that all over. So just starting scattered out a little bit. To be quite generous with the spices. I'm leaving a little bit in my bowl, just that once I've been spreading it out, I find I've got spots that are really lacking the spice mix. I can fill those up. Right there. And just a little bit more along this bottom edge. I am trying to leave one edge kind of bare. That's going to leave the outer edge, glues everything together. This looks amazing and it smells so good. Getting pretty close to the edges, not right to. Otherwise, it'll make a huge mess when we roll it and get it all sliced up. I'm just going to grab that far edge and tuck it toward us. I'm just going to roll this all snug like a little sleeping bag. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Going along, making sure that's staying quite tight, but you're not wanting to press down. You're still wanting to keep this all really soft. We're going to just grab a sharp knife. We are going to do this into 12. So I'm going in half. We're doing it half again. And then we're just going to do each of these sections into thirds. I've got a pre-greased baking tray for 9x13 ready to go. So when we've got these sliced up, they can be scooped and straight into there. Goo and all. Give it a gentle pat down at the top. Any goo that you end up with on the counter, scoop up and put over the top of buns. Right. Alright, and we're good to go. We're just going to let those rest for another half hour and then they get to go in the oven. And we'll bake them at 350. A lot like a cinnamon bun, just better.